Hey there, want to manage your investments from anywhere? The Fidelity mobile app is a powerful tool that lets you trade, research, and monitor your portfolio right from your phone. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. Download the Fidelity Investments app and log in with the same credentials as your web account. The home screen gives you a snapshot of your account balances and daily performance. To trade, tap the Transact button, then Trade. Search for your stock or fund, enter your order details, and swipe to submit. You can also deposit checks, view statements, and contact support, all on the go. My crucial pro tip: enable biometric login, Face ID or Touch ID. This makes accessing your account incredibly fast and secure. Combine this with real-time alerts for price movements or news on your holdings to stay informed wherever you are. That's how you turn your phone into a full-service investment hub. Are you more likely to check your portfolio on your phone or on a computer? Share your habit in the comments. If app guides help you stay connected to your money, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.